Susan's Amazing World, and guys, seeing you after 1 week. So today we'll be seeing an interesting topic. So now itself, I think you identified me because today we'll be doing pink food for 24 hours. So till now I didn't brush my teeth, comb my hair, and then change my dress, anything, guys. So now also I'm in my pink color night dress. So see. Now the time is 8:44 p.m. AM. So today we'll be doing pink food for 24 hours from the morning until 12 a.m. Yeah, absolutely not only at dinner till 12 a.m. I'll do our challenge. So let's see what I'm drinking for a morning. Let me brush my teeth and comb my hair and do all my things and then come back to you. So guys, for our morning drink, I have taken some hibiscus and then I have boiled some water. In that water, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. As per your amount, you can add. And then in the hot boiling water, we are gonna add hibiscus. And then let the hibiscus boil in the water. Guys, after the hibiscus gets soaked in the water, we are transferring in a glass bowl, glass tumbler. So we have 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice, then only our water will turn into pink. So guys, see guys, our pink color hibiscus water is ready now. So let's just drink that.
Big glass of a hibiscus juice. Now my stomach is quite full. So now the time is 9:15. So I think at 9:30 or 9:45 only I'll eat my breakfast. So that time I'll meet you.
Now it's 9:45. So I'm gonna prepare my breakfast. So I've taken all-purpose flour and I added a little amount of salt. And for the pinkiness, I'm gonna add some beetroot juice. Little bit of beetroot juice and then mix it. Guys, a pink color puri dough is ready, so let's get cooked the puri. So guys, I'm just eagerly waiting to eat our breakfast. See, pinky puri. Small puris which is pink in color. That's it. So I didn't find any side dish for this. So actually this is beetroot puri only. So I think let's eat it.
So guys, I have to give an important announcement for today. So it's hardly 1 or 2 months since our little cub. I know that you are eagerly waiting to see him, but within 2 weeks, next week I'll be adding Shadow's video. But the important announcement is I have started another YouTube channel, Shadow's Amazing World. So if you want to see Shadow now itself from 1 month to 6 months, so Shadow now he is 6 months, so you have to see him like that. You can go and check that. Water. So water is transparent in color. So there is two choice. I'm having 2 pink color drink. One is that hibiscus drink and one is instant energy pink color drink. So I'm gonna drink. I think I'm gonna drink that instant pink energy drink only. As I told you, right, instead of water, I'll be drinking one drink. So this is the drink. So it's lychee flavor. So it's pink in color only. Mango. Lychee juice drink with nata de coco. Actually, it's added with coconut. Hey guys, do you see that? 2 to 3 jellies coming. Hey guys, see. See, did you see? As I said, now my stomach is very full. Now only we completed our breakfast. Now it's 11:30. So let's meet you at lunch.
Guys, now it's time 1:30. It's also raining outside. I think you cannot see the rain, but it's raining outside. But I'm gonna eat a cold thing which is pink in color, which is strawberry ice cream. I love eating ice cream. I've told you in A to Z challenge, I think so. Yeah, A to Z challenge also. I ate strawberry ice cream only. I love that. So let's eat this.
See,
guys, it's already 2 o'clock the 2 o'clock p.m. Yeah, 2 o'clock p.m. So I'm just eagerly waiting to eat my lunch. Actually, my mommy only made this. I didn't with I'm not with her while she is making this. So she made me pinky egg rice. I don't know how she made it. Actually, usually I love egg rice. I love to eat egg rice, but I don't know how she made. Successfully completed eating lunch. So now my stomach is very really full, and then I think at 5 o'clock only I'll meet you. Hi guys, now the time is 5:45. I slept till 4 o'clock. So now in my break in my online class. So now we'll be drinking evening snacky drink. So now we'll be drinking watermelon smoothie that I shown you. I think I already shown you while I'm making it. I took a video. So it's a baby pink in color. So I'll add you the shades of pink. I searched in Google and then only I did it. So it is pink in color. So let's just drink it.
And the tininess, I just kept this watermelon there, but I can't eat this because it's red in color. But I want to eat it. But yeah, tomorrow we are having some more watermelon in our fridge, so tomorrow I'll surely eat it. So we successfully completed our evening drink. It's very full. So I think hereafter I'll meet you in dinner only.
Guys, now the time is 7 o'clock p.m. So now only my drawing class has got over. So daily, at least our age children will at least eat 2 chocolates daily. But I can't eat that because now we are doing pink food challenge. So instead of chocolate, I'm having a candy. It's just jujubes. Its name is jujubes. So in this, there are many pink colors. See, I'm just gonna pick up that pink alone and then gonna eat. Guys, it's 9:30 at the night, so pink sauce pasta is ready. So it's dark pink in color. For the video also it's nice only. See, I'll take it. Our pinky sauce pasta. So I'll add the color chart in this also. I'll add the screenshot. So I have seen all the Google and only took this color. This is a filament pink color. So this is also pink color only. So don't worry. So our pinky pasta is all ready. So let's eat it.
Now it's 9:35. So actually our challenge should move on till 1 or 12 o'clock. Actually this is a weekend, so usually weekend I'll see an English movie. So actually it will be 1 o'clock night. So for sleeping itself it will be 1 o'clock. So there's no problem doing this challenge. Let's see. So I got 2 to 3 pink color snack items for our night routine. So but I don't know whether I'll complete this challenge because now itself my stomach is full. I can't eat that snacks fully. So let's see how I'm eating that.
Now it's 10:45. I think you have seen the clock. It's really 10:45. Just see in this mobile also. See in this top right corner. 10:46. See there. So I'm really true 10:46. But I don't know whether till 1 o'clock I'll be awake or not. But I think today we'll watch an English movies. I'll be not sleeping today. So I don't like to sleep at all.
Just believe me, this is true. All like to sleep. They will be eagerly waiting that when night will come, we have to sleep. I'm so tired. But I don't even like night time. I love morning because I don't like to sleep. So, okay, let's not waste our time and move on to the snack. So, I've taken a Mentos. I don't know whether it's going to be pink in color or not. I went to that grocery shop and then asked pink color Mentos, but that time only 2 members came and bought and gone. So, I got this one only. It's like strawberry, watermelon, and then orange, and then I think this is lychee something. So, I don't know whether it's going to be pink in color or not because there are 4 pictures, so it should be 4 flavors. I don't know. So, let's just unbox and see that. Yeah. See, guys. Hey, it's gold. See. It's like this. What? It's green in color? Huh? See, it's green. I think in the bottom it will be pink. Yeah, it's pink. Hey, it's pink. So there is dark green, orange and light green color in that. So inside that, so it's 4 flavors, right? So it's like that. So I got strawberry flavor, not watermelon. Strawberry, so which is very pink in color. So let's eat this.
So guys, we successfully finished eating a chocolate that's a Mentos. So I'm having another pink color snack. So which is, I think it will be pink in color. So magic! I got Nabatis. So you'll think wafer biscuit, usually I saw in the YouTube videos and all, they bought wafer, but the cream only it's pink in color, but the biscuit is not pink in color, it will be cream in color, some half white in color. But in this, see the picture, it's just like it is, the biscuit is also pink in color, so I don't know how it's gonna be looking like. So this is the first time I'm buying the pink color Nabati. So for the
My God! Look, what is that? I got really pink color wafer. I'm so happy, God. Look, guys. So it's really like that. So it's pink in color. I don't know how it's gonna be taste like, but I got pink color wafers. So see, it's just similar to my dress. I'm so happy. So let's just taste it.
Hi guys, good early morning. Hope we are doing our challenge very well because now it's 12:50 at early morning. So if you didn't believe, also see my hair and then see the clock. First of all, I'll just zoom and show you. Guys, now the time is 12:49. That means 12:50. It's Sunday. Guys, seriously, I'm very sleepy, guys. Now the time is 12:50. I'm very sleepy today. Every weekend we'll watch any movie, Jumanji, Frozen, like that. I'll watch any movie and sleep at 1 o'clock only. But today alone, I'm very tired and I'm very sleepy. I think you can itself notice me. My eyes are very red. I think you can see. So every night I'll drink milk, but it's white in color. But today I'll be going to drink rose milk, which is a light pink in color. Actually, this is a beautiful pink texture. I love rose milk. So let's drink this and finish off our challenge. Guys, we successfully completed our challenge and now it's 1 o'clock at the night. So we successfully completed doing our pink food for 24 hours challenge. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button and then share and then comment below and what and all videos and challenge should be uploaded in this YouTube channel. So I hope that you will support me and share those amazing goals also. So see you later guys. Till then, bye.